This video will be an overview of our Keyword Explorer keyword finder tool. Allintitle provide several different keyword research tools. One of them is the Keyword Explorer that helps you find related keywords, questions, and phrases for any seed keyword that you provided with. So, for example, here we are going to search for game theory, and we set the country and language to United States and English, and click on Find Keywords. The way that the Keyword Explorer works is that it pulls related keywords, questions, and phrases from different sources, and this this method of keyword research, or this method of finding related keywords, is called a real-time keyword research, or real-time pooling of keywords. Unlike some other software that use a database, that have run or maintain a database of keywords, and depending on the size of the database, they can throw out different number of results for any keyword. But the way that a tool like Keyword Explorer in Allintitle works is that it pulls keywords from different sources in real time. So this helps marketers to find out what are the latest keywords that are being searched, or what are the latest questions related to a seed keywords, or any top level keyword. Uh, right now, all the processes for this keyword has been completed, and the total number of keywords that the Keyword Explorer could find for game theory has been shown here as 2196. Here you see a SERP overview, but let's go down to the main section of the tool, which is the different tabs and tables that you see with the keywords. The first tab shows all the keywords that we could get from the Google ads. So those are the keywords that if you go to the keyword planner of Google Ads, you're gonna see the same number of keywords, the same keywords that we are showing here. So you have them here already. So like here we have 56 pages of keywords for game theory, and we show you the search volume, the competition, CPC data, and also the search intent for any keywords that we have pulled from Google Ads. Another tab is the related question and phrases. These are the questions related to the keyword that you have just searched, like the keywords that you see here, and again their search intent. I means informational, and here are the source that we got this keyword from, and the group, which is because these are questions keywords, we group them based on the question term. Like here are what. And if we just navigate to the subsequent pages, you're gonna see that we have keywords from Google. Like this keyword is like this specific keyword, what game theory teaches us about war, is like a keyword that has been found on both Google, YouTube, and Bing. And if you go just to the other pages, you're gonna see that more and more keywords and the sources that we've got these keywords from. And if you want to see all the sources, you just had to click on add filter and then click on source, and then you're gonna see the list of sources that we found questions terms for these specific keywords are listed here. And you can, for example, click on Quora, and then this will be filtered based on the source that I just have selected, which is the Quora. So these are all the questions that we have found for game theory in from the Quora source. And then the same thing can be applied to YouTube, Google, and there are more sources depending on the keywords. They could be found on other sources or not. And then if you go to the related keywords, these are another types of keywords that we pull, these are not specifically questions but are related to the game theory, are related to the keyword that we have just searched. Like if you can see, we have like keywords from TikTok source, we have keywords from eBay. And again, if you on the related keywords, if you want to see which sources we got these keywords from, you can just see the list of the sources we have here. So either any of these key sources, if you select, you will see that, for example, I selected Wikipedia, and here are the keywords that have been found on Wikipedia for this specific game theory keyword. And if you see like more than one icon under the sources, it means that this keyword, like for example game theory, has been found on all these sources. And similarly, if you go to the LSI keyword, these are the keywords that we like by just studying the content of the top pages that we found for this keyword, we could come up with the most frequent keywords that are found on the top 10 ranking results. And these are those keywords, like for example games, and you can sort them based on the number of words, and also based on the occurrence of these keywords on the top 10 results. And alphabetical keywords are again another source of keywords. Again, we for the keyword like game theory, we are searching for on different sources, and we get related keywords from different sources based and group them based on different alphabetics. And these are like for example alphabetical keywords. Here we have like about 900 keywords, but if you like in related keywords, we have like around, you can see how many keywords we have them. I mean, I have to like delete this filter and see exactly we have 136 keywords. And alphabetical keywords is we try to find keywords that start with that I mean each alphabetic letter. And you can also load more of these alphabetical keywords here. Again, sources are different from Amazon, from Bing, Google. And if you go to subsequent pages, you're going to see that all kind of sources that we pull keywords from, and you can see the source icon here. Bing ads keywords are just like the Google ads keywords, are the keywords that we directly get them from Bing ads API. uh, One thing that you might have noticed is that the search volume for most of the keyword different tabs, it says NA. The way that we work is our keyword explorer work is that we pull the keywords and then you will be able to select them. For the first tab, we already give you the search volume data, but for other tabs, we give you the search intent data. But if you want the search volume, you have to select them and then click on bulk action and click on get search volume. So I click on this. You have to set your country for the search volume, because depending on the country you select, the search volume data will be different. And then after that, you will click on yes, and we pull the search volume data for the keywords that you selected, and when the data is available, we will display them here. So now you see that we have the search volume data for the 35 keywords that we selected from Bing ads keywords. Same thing can be done for all the different tabs that we have here, and we can get the search volume data. You can like get the search volume data with selecting those keywords and then click on bulk action and get search volume. You can also send these selected keywords to our bulk checker for more keywords analysis and to get the Allintitle or other search operator values for these keywords in bulk. Other things that you can see on the Keyword Explorer is the clustering section. We have two clustering engines. One is the lexical clustering that cluster all the keywords that are found in these tabs using a lexical clustering method, which is based on the words that are found on these keywords. For example, if you click on game, then we have game theory. Under game theory, we have all the keywords that include those two words, game and theory. And same thing, like for example here, if you click on Nash, then there is like a keyword that include this specific word in it. So this is the lexical type of clustering. This is done when you search for any keywords. You basically, after all the analysis, after all the keywords are pulled from different sources, then this lexical clustering is also ready for you to see. But if you want to get the clustering based on the entities, then you have to click on the entity based clustering, and upon confirming the usage of the tokens for this action, we will check the clustering, like we check the keywords for the entities, and then we will draw the tree map for the clustering, but this time based on the entity base. While this is being loaded, when it is loaded, you see the success message, and then you will see that now we have all these clusters, but uh, based on the entities. Like for example, theory is in terms of entity, we have identified that as an other entity, and then same thing here, game theory is an other. But you're gonna see a kind of the clustering that is more towards semantic, not just lexical, not based on the words but based on the meanings of the word. And for example, game is a work of art, like person, scientist is like identified as person. And if we search for example for Nash, I guess, uh, here if we can find it on the clusters, probably that's called a person. So yeah, John Nash is a person, and then you're gonna see all the keywords related to John Nash, and is identified under this specific class entity cluster. Under this cluster as a person entity. And same things here, like Khan Academy is an organization, and everything related to the all the keyword related to this Khan Academy is clustered under it. So other things that you can do here, like you see, you can export this like cluster into an Excel file, and also you can see a map like this with the questions grouped into like keywords grouped into the different questions, like what, how, something similar to the answer the public that you might be familiar with, but kind of like more interactive. You can play with it, you can increase the number of questions it shows or decrease it, and you can click on one of them just to make it from like into a more kind of horizontal kind of map. If you just select one of them, and then you can make it horizontal like this, and then you can export this into a PNG file. And same thing for the yes and no questions and prepositions. We group them into different categories of keywords based on the prepositions they have or the questions words that are found in them. So these are basically all the features that are found in our Keyword Explorer. Our Keyword Explorer again is a real-time keyword research tool. So that means if you search for a keyword on it, you will get all the latest keywords that people are actually searching on these sources that we pull our keywords data from. And you can see a SERP overview here. Again, let me expand this SERP overview so that we can have a better look at it. So all the 10 pages that rank for this specific keyword on top of Google, on the first page of Google are listed here, and you see the title and descriptions. And this is the domain authority, page authority, and citation flow, trust flow, and all the information are here. Facebook, number of links, and estimated visit. These are the title, description, and URL. And what the check marks that you see here. If a green check mark is located on the TT, it means that the exact game theory is found on the title of this listing. As you can see, game theory is exactly listed here. And if you have a black check mark under any of these three column, TT, DS, and URL, which stand for title, description, and URL, then that means game and theory are found in the URL, but not in the exact order. There are might be some other words better than them. So the same thing here, like for these like green check marks means that game theory exactly happen on the title, description, and URL in the same order that the keyword has. This was all about our keyword explorer. It's one of the most used tools in our software is keyword explorer, and I hope that this video could help you get more familiar with all the features that keyword explorer of the Allintitle can provide you.